In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your OpenAI API key. Now this is a very quick and easy tutorial, so make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. First thing you want to do is head over to the OpenAI website and just make sure you are logged into your account. When you do log yourself in, you will be taken to this page here where you can access ChatGPT, DALL-E and also the API. And since we want to actually get our OpenAI API key, we want to go ahead and select API. That will then take us to this page, and here we can see quite a few different things we can do with the OpenAI platform. However, if we go to the top right corner, we can find this little section which has our initial for our account, and it also should say personal or something similar to that. So when you click on that, it'll open this drop down here, and what we just want to look for now is view API keys, which we can find here just under manage account. So just go ahead and click on that, and then here's where we can actually access and create our API keys. So as you can see, it says your secret API keys are listed below. Please note that we do not display your secret API key again after you generate them. So once you do actually generate this secret API key, you do actually want to copy it and then take note of it somewhere and make sure you do not lose it. Because if you do lose it, you will have to delete it and then make a new one. So in order to actually create a secret key, all you have to do is come down to this button here where it says create a new key. And then you can click this and you can give it a name if you like, but it is optional. And if you don't want to give it a name, just select create secret key. And then you'll just have to do this verification. And then once this is actually completed, we will be able to get our key and we will be able to use it for whatever we are looking to use it for. So as you can see, I've got this key now. And as you can see, it says, please save this secret key somewhere safe and accessible. For security reasons, you won't be able to view it again through your OpenAI account. If you lose this key, you'll need to generate a new one. So make sure you do actually keep this safe and do not lose access to this, or you will have to do the exact same thing again and create a new one. And down here we also have default organizations. So if you belong to multiple organizations, this setting will control which organization is used by default when making requests with the API key above. So if you belong to multiple organizations, you will be able to actually change and choose which one you want to choose. So if you ever need to delete your OpenAI API key, you'll have to actually create a new one first and then delete it. So as you can see here, it says you must generate a new API key in order to revoke your only remaining key. So you will have to click this, create a new key in order to actually delete that one. So that is how you can get your OpenAI API key. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.